Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be visiting the New York Botanical Garden for their new exhibition called Wonderland, Curious Nature. This exhibition is paying homage to Alice in Wonderland and the two books that followed it. So there's going to be several outdoor exhibits. There's going to be a Victorian garden in the conservatory, and there's going to be also an exhibit in the Mertz Library, which examines the book and how it used nature for many of its inspirations. Let's get inside. Here we are in the main entrance. In case you're wondering, that's 2900 Southern Boulevard. Advertisement for the show we're going to see. As you can see, it runs May 18th through October 27th of 2024. There is parking here at the main entrance, but it's very limited, so if you want to use the parking here, come very early. If not, the other entrances also have parking. But let's get inside. As you enter through the main entrance, you'll find the garden shop on your right and the Pine Tree Cafe on your left. Now let's keep going straight in to see what we find. So right here close to the entrance at the reflecting pool, one of the first things you're going to see is according to the description, a 12-foot rabbit. Not quite the white rabbit from the story, as if since he is made out of plants, but pretty impressive to say. Again, this is right at the reflecting pool as you come in. So from the White Rabbit, we're going to take a right. From the reflecting pool, we're going to take a right, as there's also another display near the native plant garden closer to the Thane family forest. So once we walk past the reflecting pool and a little bit past the natural garden, we'll come to one of the entrances to the Thane family forest. If you keep walking just a few more feet, you'll come across another one of the outdoor displays, which is a set of mirrors hanging just kind of in the middle of some trees in the forest. It's supposed to represent the doors and mirror portals into Wonderland. Then we'll head back down the road. After checking out the mirrors, we make our way back to the main road so we can continue to see More of the outdoor exhibits. There you can see on the left the white rabbit sitting on the reflecting pool. And here on the right, you'll actually see the main tram stop, which you'll probably recognize from my tram tour videos. As we continue, we'll also come across my favorite trees in the garden. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly, the Tanyosh pine. It's a variant of the Japanese red pine. Absolute gorgeous set of trees you can find right at the front of the Botanical Gardens main entrance by the reflecting pool. But let's continue. As we make our way forward from the tram stop, see the next outdoor exhibit, which is the Mycelio House. This was designed by a British architect, and it's supposed to be a representation of the house where Alice eats, I believe it's a mushroom, and grows to gigantic proportions. The interesting part about this house is that the bricks are actually made out of mushrooms and hemp, all grown naturally, and now we're going to continue to the next portion of this wonderful exhibition, and it's the one in the Mertz Library. The portion of the exhibit that is in the Mertz Library is divided by 2 floors, the 2nd and the 6th. Let's go check out what the 2 floors have to offer. Here's a quick look at the Fountain of Life, which is situated right in front of the Mertz Library. And you can see in the background the banner for the current exhibit, Wonderland, Curious Nature. All right, let's make our way inside. Cute little sign pointing you to both the conservatory and the Hudson Grill, with the Mad Hatter letting you know left or right, it's all the same to me. So let's go right. And in case you were wondering, now is a good time to go out birding. We just missed one of the more dense migration periods, but there are always birds to be found in the Botanical Garden, Central Park, and any of the city parks where you can see birds resting on their way. As we emerge, we see another one of the displays, which are these mushrooms. From what I understand, there are nighttime events being held here where the mushrooms actually light up. So if you're interested in a nighttime adventure through the garden, look those up. Those are limited seats and limited engagement. So make sure to Check them out. So now we'll continue heading towards the conservatory. Hey everybody, thank you for joining me again on this walkthrough of the New York Botanical Garden's new exhibition, Wonderland, Curious Nature. If you like this video, like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and as always, I'll see you in the park. Have a good day and enjoy nature.